Let's play some Fortnite on my PlayStation 2.
This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. Originated from the EAS local primary station for the Vion City area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being bested. If this had been an actually emergency such as a tornado warning, toxic material release, nuclear plant incident, or other state that affects your safety, official messages were to follow the alert tone. This station serves the Vion City area. This concludes the test of this emergency alert system. All stations may now receive local programming.
What in the fuck? The emergency alert system reporter just had to interrupt me in the middle of fucking Fortnite. That is so rude.
Fire skeleton bro. I've got no idea what you're mad about, but you need to shut the hell up. It's getting very annoying.
Oh, fuck off, Mom. I don't have time for your nonsense now. I'm very angry because of it.
Whatever, and don't you ever swear at me again, or else you will get the belt.
So, when Fire Skeleton Bro got to the EAS studio.
Young man. What are you doing here? And why do you have a AK-47 in front of my whole face?
Oh, shut your mouth, you old greasy fart. This is what you get for ruining my precious game of Fortnite on my PlayStation 2. So, I'm going to kill you right here and now.
And now, since you did, you do not keep making stupid emergency alerts systems never again. So enjoy being dead, you piece of shit.
Fire skeleton bro. Why the hell did you kill the EAS reporter?
It's because I was so mad that he ruined my game of Fortnite. So that's why I sued him to death.
That doesn't cut the cheese. You're grounded for 345 weeks. Go straight to your room right now, you fucking fat boy.
Wow.